Hey, me again, but now with a tip for flight attendants and general English. Many times you have pregnant women on board and they may get sick during the flight. In this case, you have to call a doctor to assist her. And I had a student, he had this situation on board, but the doctor was not Brazilian and he had to make the communication between the pregnant woman and the doctor. And he told me that he had a little difficulty to understand one of the questions the doctor was asking him. And at the end, he got to understand that he was asking about the stage of pregnancy. And this student asked me, what different question did he use? Why didn't I understand what he said? What happens is that there is a different way to ask about the stage of pregnancy in English, which is different, very different from Portuguese. The question is, how far along are you? How far along are you? I guess during the flight, the doctor asked him, how far along is she? Or ask her how far along she is. So I'm leaving the question here on the top, and next time you have to ask about the stage of pregnancy, use this question because it's much more common. Okay? Hope you like it. Bye.